Welcome back to Arizona Midday. Now we're talking to a company that's helping clean up homes around the valley, all while helping a lending hand to the community. Here to tell us more is Anita and Brian, the owners of LeBlanc Cleaning. Thanks so much for coming in today.
Thank you.
Thanks for having us.
Absolutely. All right, why don't we start with just how you got started? Tell me about your company.
Well, we've been in business since 2017. I was an independent contractor for a company called Open Door, and I was QCing work orders and QCing cleanings on houses that were going to be live on the market. And one thing led to another, word of mouth, and started getting my own clients and cleaning houses on my own.
And it's become a great success, so congratulations. But you're not stopping there, you're also giving back. You're a partner of Summer of a Million Meals. I know this. How does LeBlanc give back to the local community, Brian?
Right, in the spirit of service in the community, any business entrepreneur should be giving back, and that's our personal belief. Summer of a Million Meals addresses food scarcity throughout the valley, and they do a fantastic job in logistics of getting that out to the right people that need that. So we're very, very committed to that program, and we love what they're doing. And it's a good cause, and we encourage other people to get involved with that. Along with that, we also contribute to the JDRF, Junior Diabetes Funds, and there's a lot of other community things that you can do that we're participating with, the sponsorship programs with local football teams and other things like that with the community. So giving back to the community is really the vehicle of what we use our company for, is to just give back. So
Yeah.
It's really important to us.
It's great to support local businesses, and you guys support local charities, which is amazing. But that's not all. What else makes you different, would you say, than other cleaning companies?
You know, I think we do value-based hiring. It's very, very important. So when we vet our cleaners, we want to make sure that they are a great fit, that we're a great fit for them, and they're a great fit for us. And we all kind of have the same mindset that we are here to make a difference. You know, we are a company that we want to come out and help people in the community. And it's our core values that really are that drive our company and how we do our business.
Yeah, and I love you have them all laid out too, which is amazing, including give peace of mind and solution and gratitude, which is important too. But every customer has different needs. So how do you make sure that you meet the needs and preferences of each customer?
Great question. So every one of our clients, I go into their home. Before we start service, I walk the home with them. Sometimes I sit and have tea with them, meet their pets, you know, play with their pets, and just talk to them about what they want, what's important for them, for their home. And also I get to hear like their pain points from other cleaning companies, horror stories. And so I really customize the scope and the work order to their needs for their home.
Yeah, and do you do one-time cleanings, weekly cleanings, monthly cleanings?
We do move-outs, we do one-times, monthly, bi-weekly, weekly. We do all post-construction cleans. We have a commercial janitorial side. We do also cleanings for residential homes for commercial companies.
All right, so you do it all.
We do it all.
Absolutely do it all. And I know a lot of people out there, I mean, I always see it on different apps like help me find a cleaning company. So we found one for you, LeBlanc, and you guys actually have a special too for anyone watching.
We do. For the month of August right now, we're offering $100 off your initial cleaning for recurring clients. So we're looking to build out our recurring client list. So $100 off right now is a smoking deal, and we'd love to have you as a client.
All right, let's get started, everyone. Thanks so much, and thanks so much too for being a part of the community. We appreciate it.
Thank you.
All right, and everyone, you can learn more, get that special, go to the website on your screen, or just call the number on your screen.